This call is now being recorded.
Welcome all of you students for our chapter number 3. Before start the chapter number 3, we should know what we learn about chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Chapter number 1 is about the only introduction to the CAD/CAM CAE, a basic step, basic information about computer aided design, computer aided analysis, and computer aided manufacturing. We have to we have discussed in chapter number 1 basic things. Okay. In second chapter, geometric modeling and computer graphics. Okay. In second chapter is related to the computer aided design is nothing but the design part only we have studied. Now in that also, whatever the mathematical problems, whatever the mathematical structure, whatever the mathematical data required for the manufacture the computer. Okay. By using CATIA software, we can get directly answer, we can get directly design. Okay, or we can make design as per our requirement. But something there are will be mathematical operations, mathematical problems. Okay, also we have solved the problem, transformation problems. Five types of transformation we studied. Okay, uh, translate, rotate, share. Okay, rotate, mirror, reflection. This type of translation matrix problem also we have solved. After that, the computer geometric modeling we have discussed. Okay, in that, what is the data procedure? Which files are used for to save the CATIA software, CATIA model? Okay, computer configuration for this such a software. Okay, requirement of any software in computer. Okay, or also different data exchange processes. Okay, we have discussed in chapter number 2, and the chapter number 2 or computer aided design CAD is on depend on the CATIA software. Okay, but due to such a COVID situation, we have not started the directly practical session here. Okay, which is also unable to start the software design. So hope we will continue early as possible our lecture in our college. Okay, so hope only the theoretical part and the basic introduction of CATIA software we will discuss now. Now, what is CATIA? CATIA is a software, okay, design software, or basically CATIA is designed for the 3D design, only 3D modeling. Why? AutoCAD we already studied. AutoCAD is suitable for the 2D drawing, but CATIA is suitable for the 3D drawing. Now, what is the history of CATIA? What is the long form of CATIA? Very important question. Different time, different examination they have asked. CATIA is nothing but CATIA. Computer aided three-dimensional interactive application. Computer aided three-dimensional is nothing but the 3D. Interactive application is nothing but considering users thinking. Okay, considering the user thinking, computer and user they can interact. Okay, after the interaction, the software will give the required model on as per requirement to the customer. Okay, म्हणजे interactive application is nothing but the conversation between software and the human being. Okay, or whatever the driver of that software. Okay, this is nothing but the interactive application as per your requirement. If you want to draw circle, okay, you will give direct command to the circle, or you can directly handle, you can directly draw that whatever the drawing required on that software. For that, they have known as interactive application, computer aided three-dimensional interactive application. And this CATIA software developed by the Dassault system, Dassault or Dassault system, which is a company from the France. Okay, CATIA. In industry, the wide use of CATIA is in today's engineering field or in any manufacturing field, design field. The CATIA is definitely, or which is a every industrialist is using CATIA. Why? Because of the CATIA is the mother of 3D software. This is the first software designed by the 3D. As per our lathe machine, lathe is also mother of our engineering. Okay, or mother of machines. We already says that. Like that, the CATIA is very important, and CATIA is very vast. if you consider our student life, the student version is also available of CATIA. In that also lot of bench work bench works are there. Now what is a bench work? One of the concept in CATIA, bench work is a concept. Bench work is nothing but the departments. Okay, suppose our engineering is a one field. Okay, in that engineering different branches are there. Near about 40 plus branches are there. Mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, computer engineering, civil engineering, aerospace, chemical. Okay, yeah, IT industry, information technology. Okay, chemical industries, aerospace industries, aeronauticals. Lot of engineering branches are there. As like, suppose we can see CATIA as engineering and the different branches as a workbench. Okay, now different workbenches are also available in CATIA software. Which workbenches? Already we discussed four workbenches. First is a design, okay, or drafting. Second is a workbench. Second workbench is part design, assembly design, sheet metal design. Okay, also solid work. Okay, or analysis or wireframe. These all are the branches. Lot of branches are available. Near about the 14, and inside that also available a lot of analysis tools are available in CATIA software. But in our syllabus only, four types of analysis we have taken. First is the design, how to design the CATIA model, any model, drafting of that design, assembly of that component, okay, and finally drafting. Okay, and a little bit analysis or simulation is also available in CATIA software. Okay, now this is a basic about the CATIA software. Okay, so we can start our CATIA within. I will present some CATIA features. Okay, on next lecture. But so today we have to start the chapter number 3. I think what is the CATIA and what is the 3D modeling, all concept, something concept maybe might be clear. Okay, this is a all about the 3D drawing. Okay, CATIA software. Now we have to move the chapter number 3. Okay, whatever we have studied before earlier 2 chapter, we have taken a revision. Okay, now moving towards our chapter number 3. What is chapter number 3? FEM and automation. Okay, in previous syllabus there was 2 chapters. Okay, but in this current semester syllabus they have added 2 chapter in 2 chapter in singular chapter. Okay, chapter number 3. So we will directly move to our chapter number 3. Okay. So chapter number 3 is finite element method and the automation. Okay, finite element method is nothing but short form of finite element method is FEM, and automation is also one of the part. Now what is a finite element method? If you see the title of that chapter or FEM, finite element method. What is mean by finite? Finite is nothing but the smallest part. Okay, very singular or very smallest part of that object. Okay, now finite element method. Now what is the meaning of that FEM? The finite element method is a device or is a tool or is a method to analyze the different components, okay, or different operations before which will be in field. Okay, in simple word, if you want to manufacture any object and the resultant analysis of that object before that object will be used in industry or in used in the society. Okay, now this is very important. म्हणजे इम्पॉर्टन्स काय आहे बघा फायनाईट एलिमेंट मेथडचा. डायरेक्टली आपल्याला एखादा मॅन्युफॅक्चर केला आणि विदाउट ट्रायल घ्यायच्या आधी आपण हे अनालिसिस होते. दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर. ओके, विदाउट ट्रायल, बिफोर ट्रायल, this finite analysis will be, we can see in by using computer. Okay, now finite element method is the only analysis part. Okay, there is no any manufacturing, there is no any additional maintenance is also not available. Okay, If you want analyze one piston component, piston cylinder assembly in an ANSYS, okay, you have to make that cylinder or that object in 3D CATIA modeling, okay, or any software like for the CATIA software, the SolidWorks are there, Provia are there, okay, whatever the software you can use, and that by using that software we can take manufactured object from that 3D software and we can transfer that file, for example the .cad file, okay, after the CATIA model .cad file will be generated, and that CAD file we can transfer to the FEM analysis, for example ANSYS device, okay. Now this is a transformation, data transfer we already studied in previous chapter, okay. Now when we will pass our product, okay, virtual design, virtual drafting of any model to the ANSYS, and then ANSYS will give analysis, okay, according to you can change the material size, you can change the properties of that product, okay. This is only available in analysis, but no any design or no any drafting or no any editing option is not available in ANSYS, okay. After providing the element, after providing an object to the ANSYS, the only analysis part is remaining. Now what is the analysis? Okay, whenever we want to analysis, okay, now what is the procedure? Suppose I have given one assignment to everyone, okay, to solve that problem. Last lecture or in previous lecture I have given one problem, matrix problem, okay, one matrix problem or multiplication matrix problem I have given to you. Now what is the procedure to solve that matrix problem? Okay, first of all you have read that problem, okay. After that the multiplication, the singular multiplication, column into row, row into column, a singular calculation you have made. Now this is nothing but the finite, okay. Whenever we want to analyze, we have to see any object from bottom of that object, okay, every part, each and every part of that object, okay. This is nothing but the analysis. Suppose last lecture I have given one example, okay. You have to check is a roti is suitable for eating, म्हणजे आपण एखादी चपाती जर भाजली कधी बघतोय आपण तर ती आतून कापून बघावं लागते आपल्याला, okay. Is nothing but the analysis, okay. Now in COVID situation that example is also not suitable, but let it be a postmortem, okay. Every after the death of any human body, postmortem is available. Why postmortem is available? Postmortem is nothing but the analysis, okay. Inner part, whatever the analysis, whatever things I have happened inside that human body, okay. For that purpose they have to cut the body, okay. And in also our mechanical component also, if our engine is break, okay. Now how to analyze that engine part, okay. That fitter will come towards your vehicle engine, they will open it overall, okay, for the analysis purpose. Now analysis is part to the inner part of that body. Now finite element analysis is nothing but the only inner part, analysis of the inner part, okay, each and every part of that body. Finite is nothing but, for example, finite you can say that differentiate, okay. Differentiation and integration we already studied from last 5 years, okay. 10th, I think 11th, 12th and degree engineering 2 years, okay. From last 4 years we are studying the integration and derivative. Now what is the application of integration and derivative? Now the best application of differentiation is the finite element method. What is differentiation? Okay, to cut the different sections and analyze the smallest part. This is nothing but the differentiation. Now what is the integration? To collect all the differentiated parts and analyze them. This is nothing but the integration. Okay. Now by using the differentiation, by using the finite element method, we have to analyze any object in the software. Okay. And next point of this chapter is automation. Okay. Automation is nothing but after analysis, we can start our manufacturing. Okay. Now whatever the software, automatic software are there, different robots we are using. Okay. Different electronic technologies we are using. These are the nothing but the automation. Okay. Now this basic is about this chapter number 3. So what is the syllabus of chapter number 3? Now syllabus of chapter number 3, FEM, definition of FEM, different types of analysis. Okay. In also FEM, different types of analysis are available. Terms used usually in FEM. Whenever this is also theoretical part. Okay. There is no need to start software directly. Only theoretical part, basic part. Okay. As like previous chapter. Okay, we have studied the different transformation matrices, different formulas, transformation formula, mirror formula. Here also the some standard formulas are there. That formulas, different mathematical procedures. Okay, analysis of different 1D, 2D, 3D elements. Okay, we have to study in this chapter. Also, one problem is also asked within that chapter for the examination. Okay, only two problems are available in section number first. First problem is on CATIA or 3D modeling, and one is based on the FEM or analysis. General step, what are the steps of FEM? Okay, how to solve the problem. Okay, structural and thermal analysis of 1D bar element. Okay, one problem is based on structural analysis of thermal analysis also there. And introduction to the latest FEA software. Different FEA softwares are used. Okay, suppose you might be knowing about the ANSYS is the basic for the analysis. But after ANSYS, the different Nastran, okay, NS Dyna, okay, different softwares are used in manufacturing industry or design industries. Okay, for example, Abacus software is also available. Cosmos software is available. Agni, Radios, iDyna, NX Dyna, Pro Mechanica, all are the softwares. Okay, also in first chapter we have taken overview of different chapters. Okay, so this is a syllabus of FEA. And what is automation? Automation is also having a lengthy theory. Okay, also we will complete within 2 lectures. Now, concept and definition of automation. What is actual automation? Different types of automation. Okay, advantages and limitations of automation. Okay, what is advantages and limitations of automation? Automation is required for to reduce the human efforts. Okay, automation is used for to reduce the human efforts. Now, what is the limitation? Due to automation, the job availability is also reduced. This is also limitation. Now, whatever the limitations, advantages, we will see in this chapter. Automation and CAD/CAM/CA. What is the relation in between CAD/CAM/CA and automation? Okay, computer integrated manufacturing, CIM and CAD/CAM. What is the relation in between computer integrated manufacturing and CAD/CAM/CA? Okay, group technology, part family. Okay, classification and codification. Now, what is a part family? I will also give basic information of part family, group technology. Now, what is group technology? The similar manufacturing product. Okay, suppose we have to purchase one of the component. Okay, I have purchased one vehicle. Okay, for example, a Bajaj vehicle or any Hero or Honda vehicle I have taken. But if I want to maintenance of that vehicle, whenever I will be in the world, okay, the components should be available in everywhere. This is nothing but the group technology. म्हणजे काय होतं बघा, in simple word, group technology and part family is nothing but the manufacturing. आपण ज्यावेळेस करतोय त्यावेळेस समजा पेन आहे आपला पेन, तर त्या पेनची निप जी असेल आतली बरोबर का, किंवा जे स्टिक असेल ती तुम्हाला वर्ल्ड वाईड कुठं पण मिळणार आहे, ती कुठेही बसणार आहे. ओके, सपोज take an example of the nut and bolt. Okay, the nut and bolt size is also fixed. Okay, according to this pitch circle diameter. Okay, also you have purchased the nut from India and bolt from Japan. So they will also assemble. Why? Because this is nothing but including the group technology. Okay, the standardization they have maintained. Now, this related study we have to study in this chapter number automation. Okay, classification and codification system. Okay, what is codification? In also EMDR, machine drawing, and design. In last semester also you might have studied MDR subject. Okay, different codification, different codes of material. Okay, you have studied. Each screen is visible. Anyone please give reply. Hello. चालू आहे का मग अर्धा तास झालं बोलतो एकटाच.
Yes, sir.
ओके 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 थँक्यू. Ha, automation classification and codification system. Okay. Also the merits and demerits of the group technology, CAPP, retrieval and generative type. These are the also only important points. Okay. Regarding automation, we will study in this chapter ERP concept of rapid prototype. Now this is all about our syllabus. Okay. Friends, this is the introduction part of chapter number 3. If you have any doubt regarding today's syllabus or previous 2 chapters, please ask and tell me what is decision taken for continuing lecture. Can I continue lecture? As members, please give
Sir.
reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If any doubt, please ask me. Okay, regarding last chapter number 3. Also, different student asking me queries on WhatsApp. Okay. Also, they have sent me different message, different queries on personal messaging. This is a very good thing. So, I request all of you, please don't fear about how to message to sir. Okay, I am available for you. Okay, because our subject is very interesting, and after the completion of this subject, and this subject is directly used for industry. म्हणजे बघा, आपण इंजिनिअरिंगचे जेवढे जेवढे सब्जेक्ट शिकलो त्या सगळ्यापेक्षा हा सब्जेक्ट महत्वाचा कशासाठी तर डायरेक्टली आपण इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये गेल्यानंतर हा आपल्याला बघायचा. ओके, इफ यू परफेक्ट इन कटिया, suppose if you perfect in CATIA, after the joining in industry, you can start directly work. Okay, there is no any training is required. Okay, if according to the requirement or according to the part program, according to the product, okay, standard product, they may also any small changes may be there. Okay, but CATIA software or ANSYS software can directly use in industry. Okay, for that purpose, the industrialists or recruiters are asking whether your students are perfect in any software. Okay, last day I have taken meeting of project group of B students. I have arranged one meeting. One project group is with me. Okay, of B. First question to them was if you have any study software. My first question was there, which software you have studied? In industry also, in every industry, in mechanical, in analysis here, or in also IT industry. Okay, first question is also after the something about yourself. Tell me something about yourself. The next question definitely, which software you are familiar. Okay, so friends, I request all of you, so don't casual about this subject, because this subject is directly used for the industry application. Okay, so please ask any doubt. Interaction is also important. Okay, म्हणजे आता थोडं बोलतो मी डायरेक्टली. मला कसं आहे, समोर जर पब्लिक असेल तर बोलताना भारी वाटतं, पण इथं ऑनलाईन माझ्या काय समोर कोण दिसतच नाही. त्यामुळे तुम्ही जर मध्ये येऊन जर बोलला बाबा आहे मी काय जे बोलतो हे माझ्या लक्षात येईल, किंवा तुम्ही जागा आहे हे पण मला समजेल. हा, बघा काय डाऊट असेल तर also I will share one again syllabus of this chapter. Okay, we can start the chapter number 3 FEA today. Okay, I will check within 2 minute message box if any decision they have taken by department. I think no any decision. एक मिनिट. ड्यू टू दॅट आश्रय वेबिनार. Okay. So first of all, I will take the attendance. Okay. After that, we can start the chapter. Directly. So please message roll number, or also I will verify all of you students. Start the roll number in message box. Okay. I will add your attendance. Sachin Sagar, 42, 8, 62, 34, 24, 65, 43, 17, 16, 55, 35, 45, 41, 23, 25, 46, 64, 6, 1, 43, 57, 9, 68, 44, 63, 67, 15, 14, 28, 50, 59. Okay. I think 34 minus 1, 33 student is present. Okay. So let's start our chapter number 3, ANSYS APM. Today we have to finish definition and initial part, basic part. Okay. So what is APM? The definition of APM. Okay. Now it is the most widely used method for solving engineering problems and mathematical models. Okay. It is numerical method for solving partial differential equations. Wait, friends. It is the most widely used method for solving engineering problem and mathematical models. This is nothing but the analysis. Okay. Now it is a numerical method for solving partial differential equation. Already we have discussed what is integration, what is derivative. Okay. Now partial differential equations, by using partial differential equation, we can analyze. Okay. Suppose friends, today or also in last semester you have studied the design part. Okay. Machine design, Tom also subject is there. Okay. Mom also is there. Mechanics of material. Okay. Mechanics of machine, I think. Okay. Mom subject, Tom subject. Okay. These are the analysis subject. Okay. In that you have studied the partial differential equation. But all these analysis, all these problems, we can solve by using the APM software. Okay. What is our motto to learn engineering? Okay. What is our aim to learn engineering? To reduce the human effort. Okay. Now, what is the definition of human effort? Okay. Suppose any machine is related to the human. Any maintenance is required for that machine, or to calculate the life of that machine is also duty of human. Okay. Now, this is also duty of an engineer. Okay. This is duty of our, because we are also engineers. Our main motto is to reduce the human efforts. Okay. To use the maximum automation. Okay. By using different software. Okay. In previous decade, when softwares were not present, the analysis part takes a lot of time. Okay. This is also time consuming. These were also time consuming. But by using the different software, different APM analysis, we can analyze within fraction of second. Also, we can analyze any component, any object, any machine. Okay, within a fraction of second. This is also importance and the advantages of these softwares, APM software. Okay, now basically APM is nothing but the finite element method. Finite is nothing but the smallest part. Okay, by using different smallest parts, okay, you can analyze overall component. Okay, म्हणजे आपण काय करतो बघा, म्हणजे हे आता एक छोटस उदाहरण देतो मी. दिवाळीमध्ये किंवा एखाद्या घरी काय कार्यक्रम असेल तर आपण हे करतो बघा, शंकरपाळे करतो, शंकरपाळे. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ एपीएम. ओके, शंकरपाळे म्हणजे काय करतो रे आपण, तर पूर्ण ते काय रोटे असते ते न बनवता आपण कट करतो ते सगळे, बरोबर का. नाव वाय, म्हणजे प्रत्येक पार्ट शुड बी ते व्यवस्थित तुमचं काय झालं, कुक झाला पाहिजे. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो ऍज लाईक ऑल्सो इन our syllabus in our APM software. Now this is all method is also virtual friends. तुम्ही म्हणाला आता हे समोर कॉम्पोनंट दिसते, मग हे तोडायचे का तुम्ही, तोडायला काय आपल्याला वेळ लागणार नाही लगेच, बरोबर का. म्हणजे आता समोर अनालिसिस करायचं म्हणजे काय घ्यायचं, मशीन घ्यायची, हा आधार आलं की तोडून टाकायचे, असं करायचं का नाही. बट व्हर्च्युअल डिझाईन इज ऑल्सो दे. ओके, नाउ ऑल दिस ऑपरेशन इज व्हर्च्युअल. Okay, now this is also main importance of that APM software. Suppose if you see here the different component I have taken. Okay, first component showing the robotic arm is also there. Okay, the 3 robotic arm there. Suppose also this type of link where you have seen in JCB also. Okay, in JCB also, or in also our fulcrum type of design is also there. Okay, now what is the analysis? And here the different color coding is using. Okay, now what is the meaning by that color? Okay, this is the importance and this is the theory part of the APM software. Okay, whenever you will enter in software, okay, you can't directly imagine, you can't directly start the analysis. But before that, what are the different color coding? Okay, what are the visualization? That theoretical part you should know. Okay, now suppose if you see here, the first image is showing the robotic arm or JCB arm. Okay, or in any hydraulic machine arm. Okay, now different colors are showing here. Blue color, red color, green color. Okay, near about 7 colors are there. Okay, which 7 color? The 7 colors which is present in rainbow. Okay, म्हणजे का आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो रे मराठीमध्ये, त्या रेनबो मध्ये जे आपण बघतो, काय विसरलो बघा नाही, पाऊस पडल्यानंतर काय, हा इंद्रधनुष्य, बरोबर, थँक्यू. इंद्रधनुष्यामध्ये किती कलर असतात, 7 कलर. ओके, दीज आर द नॅचरल कलर्स आर देअर. ओके, बाय युजिंग दॅट नॅचरल कलर यू कॅन आयडेंटिफाय द analysis part. Suppose the red color is showing the maximum stress is here. Is it right? Now is nothing but the red color showing the maximum accidental part is there. Okay, and this is also color coding. The blue color is also less stress is present in that color. Okay, the next image is having the one carrot. Okay, where you have seen here this type of product in every agriculture equipment. Okay, or in any for transformation of the agricultural foods goods. Okay, these type of carrots are using. Also the in morning, those are living in urban areas. Okay, in early morning they require the milk. Okay, the milk bag are also transferred by using that carrot. Okay, now what is the how to calculate or how to analyze that carrot? Okay, where the maximum stress is available. Okay, suppose if you see in the bottom of that tray, in bottom of that carrot, the color coding is showing different. Now what is the mean by that color? The overall weight is acting on the bottom part. Okay, due to that the maximum stress or maximum load will be there. Okay, according to the application, the analysis may change. Suppose if you see third image. Okay, third image is showing the vehicle or bicycle chain. Okay, third image is showing the bicycle chain. Okay, now where the maximum stress, where the maximum loading, shear loading. Okay, different types of loading is also available, and that will show the with the help of different colors. Okay, the metal chain is also available. Now, fourth image is also of the engine part, inside part, piston cylinder, crankshaft, okay, crank wheel. Okay, this analysis is there. The different color coding is also there. If you see the piston is in blue color, why? The stress or stress, whatever the design part, the load is also maximum on the that arm. Okay, which arm? Piston arm. Okay, or crank. We can say that crank. Okay, after crankshaft is also not showing, but by using windowing and viewing transformation, we can also view. We can also see the inner part of also in ANSYS software. Okay, now this is all about the. This is also applications of APM. Now, what is actually APM? Now, how? What is the procedure to analyze the components? Okay, this is a important factor we have to study in this chapter. Okay, what is APM? I will take a revision within 2 minutes. What is APM? APM is nothing but a finite element method. Method is nothing but any software. Okay, finite is nothing but the smallest. Element is nothing but element from the that object. If you want to analyze any object, you have to divide that part in different elements. Okay, smallest element or finite element. After the smallest element, finite element, you can analyze each and every element by using software. Okay, by using different partial differential equations. Okay, and that partial differential equation, what is the procedure? One problem is also available, also for our syllabus. After solving that problem, that will be clear. Okay, now this is all about the APM. Okay, this is a definition of APM. Let's say again definition. It is the most widely used method for solving engineering problems and mathematical models. Whatever the different mathematical models are there, they can analyze by using APM software. Now it is a numerical method for solving partial differential equation. This is the hidden part of that APM. Okay, we are not related to that numerical method. Why? But already problems are already software, already programs we have fill up in ANSYS software. Okay, what is our duty? To change only properties. Okay, to change only inputs of that component. Suppose in same image also different types of material are used. Okay, first is also having the metals. Okay, second is non-metal. Okay, what is non-metal is nothing but the plastic also, fiber also. Okay, whatever the material. Okay, wood also there. Okay, wooden part is also there. Okay, the analysis of all these part, all these material, we can manipulate by using the ANSYS software. Okay, so this is a definition of APM. So moving towards the types of analysis. Okay, move towards the what are the types of analysis? Okay, the linear static analysis, non-linear analysis, dynamic analysis, buckling analysis, thermal analysis, okay, fatigue analysis, optimization, CFD analysis, crash analysis, NVH analysis. Now, what is linear static analysis? Okay, we will see one by one. What is linear static analysis? Linear static is nothing but the static, whether whatever the object or whatever the machineries are stationary. Suppose the water tank. Water tank is also static. ओके स्टॅटिक इज थांबलेलं एका जागेला असलेलं ओके इज नथिंग बट स्टॅटिक अनालिसिस एखाद्या आपल्याला वॉटर टँक जर अनालिसिस करायचं असेल ओके व्हॉट इज द लाईफ ऑफ दॅट वॉटर टँक ओके ऑर मिल्क टँक आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल cooling towers are also available okay which is also nothing but the linear static analysis non-linear analysis what is non-linear is nothing but the moving analysis okay or dynamic analysis dynamic is also nothing but the moving type okay we will see also in detail okay like this okay so take only the initial part or the little introduction dynamic analysis also there buckling analysis okay, buckling is nothing but for example in different I will show you image also here buckling analysis are also available okay thermal analysis okay thermal analysis related to the heat transfer thermal is related to the heat transfer okay after the heat transfer, what will be the product like, what will be the uh, hazardous thing for that product, that should be calculated by using this software. Okay, this is also available. Thermal analysis also. Now fatigue analysis. What is fatigue? Fatigue is nothing but the wherever the continuous system is there. Okay, continuous system is there. For example, we are using a vehicle. Okay, if you are driving vehicle continuously, okay, our hand will be on the steering. Okay, but after 1 hour, after 2 hour, after 3 hour, we will feel the fatigue also. Okay, म्हणजे आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, थकवा म्हणतो. Okay, due to the repetition of same work, fatigue will occur. Okay, due to the repetition of same work, the fatigue will definitely occur. For the also machinery also, for the machinery also, the fatigue will be also there. Suppose if you take the an example of the belt. Okay, belt. Okay, whatever the belt or chain is using in a vehicle or in any uh, automobile industries. Okay, in any production industries, the different belts are there, chain drives are there. Okay, if you see one of the element of that belt, okay, that this is continuously moving part. Okay, belt is continuously moving part. Okay, but in that also, the suppose you are using two pulleys. Okay, on that two pulleys, the belt is rotating. Okay, but size of that pulley might be different. Okay, one pulley might be 5 mm diameter. Okay, our second pulley is might be 50 mm diameter. Okay, now the way of that belt is also different. Okay, variable. This is nothing but the repetitive action. Due to that repetition action, the fatigue will be there happen. Now, which type of fatigue will be there? This type of analysis is also available in our ANSYS software. Okay, optimization. Optimization is nothing but the directly operation. Okay, or we can say that the optimization is nothing but the simulation. Simulation is also available. Suppose you have to analyze one vehicle. Okay, now in previous decade, if you want to analyze the vehicle, they have to crash that vehicle. म्हणजे बघा तुम्ही एखाद्या ऑटोमोबाईल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये गाड्या धडकवल्या जातात बघा, कशाला ते अनालिसिस पर्पजसाठी. ओके, नाव विदाउट क्रॅशिंग, विदाउट ते काय आपण जे ऍक्सिडेंट म्हणतो, व्हॉट इज द इंटेन्सिटी ऑफ दॅट ऍक्सिडेंट. टू फाइंड आउट दॅट इंटेन्सिटी, यू हॅव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल crash directly vehicle, but due to that software you can't, or this is no need to crash directly vehicle. Okay, in virtual manner you can optimize, or you can take a simulation. Okay, in that software. CFD analysis. What is CFD? Computational fluid dynamics. Okay, whatever the fluid are passing from one point to another point. Okay, now what the direction will change. Okay, where the pipe leakage will be there. Okay, that type of analysis is also available. Okay, different suppose in a petrol industry. Okay, or in any oil industry. Okay, or in any sugar industry. Okay, the hot liquid is also available. Okay, to transfer that hot liquid from one point to another point. The analysis is also difficult. Okay, suppose you want to analyze the continuous passing fluid inside the pipe. This is very hazardous or dangerous for the human being. Also, CFD analysis are available. Okay, virtual analysis is also available by using the ANSYS software. Now, crash analysis. Already we have discussed regarding the automation, automobile industries. Okay, crash analysis is also available. And last analysis is NVH. NVH is nothing but the noise analysis, vibration analysis, and the harshness analysis. Okay, this type of analysis we have to see in this chapter. Okay, so I think this is sufficient for today's lecture, because all these theoretical part we have studied. Okay, our PPT is ready. Okay, in next lecture we will continue this type of analysis. Okay, I will also take a little overview of this chapter. Okay, so without giving the maximum load, because you have to study whole day today. Okay, This is a totally new part for you. Okay, for that purpose, we are taking less part today. Okay, I think only 8 minutes are remaining. So linear static analysis, this type of analysis are available. Non-linear analysis. Okay, now the different stress strain curve. What is the application? Okay, what is the difference between manual curve and software curve? That type today, tomorrow or next lecture we will see. Okay, what is the types of dynamic analysis? Okay, now this type of analysis we will see in next lecture. Okay, buckling analysis. Okay, whatever the buckling, thermal analysis, different types of thermal analysis, conduction, convection, radiation. Wait, friends, I think I will be left. Am I audible, friends? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. The battery problem is there. Okay. So for the dynamic analysis, different type pre-analysis, force, flow, vibrations. Okay, natural frequency. Whatever the very interesting part is there. Analyzing Hello, so friends, next lecture we will study the remaining part of the ANSYS. Okay, so what we have learned today, the revision of chapter number first and second. Okay, introduction to calculus CAE, what is CATIA? Okay, basics of CATIA, history of CATIA we have studied. Okay, and what is the ANSYS software? What is APM? Okay, this is all about today's session. Okay, so if any doubt, only 4 minutes are remaining. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, Mangesh Misal.
Yes, sir.
Mangesh, is any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, have you got the idea what ANSYS or APM? Little bit.
Sir, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Huh. Uh, Onkar Parke, who is new joined today? Dhaneshwar. Dhaneshwar at Kamauli. Dhaneshwar. Dhaneshwar. What is the name of Dhaneshwar? Roll number 12. Okay, let it be. So we will meet again. So Sachin Shirsagar, please stop the recording. Sachin. So
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes.
So